What is the IOC World Bird List? Have you ever wondered how bird watchers and scientists around the world communicate about different bird species? The answer lies in the IOC World Bird List. This list is a detailed and open access resource created by a global community of ornithologists. Its main goal is to provide a standardized set of English names for all bird species found on our planet. Imagine trying to discuss a bird with someone from another country, only to find out they call it something entirely different. That confusion is what the IOC World Bird List aims to eliminate. With over 11,000 bird species included, along with subspecies, this list organizes birds into a classification system that covers 44 orders, 256 families, and nearly 2,000 for 100 genera. The origins of this list date back to the early 1990s. A group of leading ornithologists came together to tackle the problem of varying common names for the same species. It took over 15 years to finalize a standardized set of English names, ensuring that bird enthusiasts everywhere could communicate clearly. From a bird's perspective, this list acts like a global directory. It helps humans recognize and talk about birds consistently, no matter where they are. This consistency is essential for understanding bird behavior, ecology, and conservation needs. When everyone uses the same names and classifications, it becomes easier to track populations and study migration patterns. For bird enthusiasts and researchers, the IOC World Bird List offers accessible online lists and downloadable files. These include spreadsheets and Excel versions, making it simple to reference and use in birding guides or scientific studies. The list also includes guidelines on how to spell names correctly, reflecting the evolutionary relationships among bird groups. While the IOC World Bird List is widely accepted, especially outside the Americas, other bird lists exist, such as the Clements Checklist and the BirdLife International and Handbook of the Birds of the World List. These lists may differ slightly in species counts and classifications, but the IOC list remains a leading reference for many birders and ornithologists. In essence, the IOC World Bird List is a vital tool that brings order to the world of bird names and classifications. It helps people communicate about birds clearly and consistently, which ultimately supports bird conservation and study across the globe.